In this video, we are going to see about the kinetic molecular theory of gases. Let us see what are the postulates of kinetic molecular theory of gases. It was proposed by Maxwell, Boltzmann, Clausius and many other scientists. Let us see what are the postulates of kinetic molecular theory of gases. The first postulate under the kinetic molecular theory of gases is it is applicable only for the ideal gases. Kinetic molecular theory of gases is applicable only for the ideal gases. The second postulate under this is all gases contain large number of teeny and discrete particles called molecules. As you all know, gas consists of many small particles and those particles are considered as molecules. The molecules move randomly in all directions with high velocity. Remember that gas molecules will move randomly, that is in a zigzag manner with high velocity. Molecular motions is unaffected by the gravitational force. The molecules which are moving randomly in the space will not get affected by the gravitational force. As you know that the particles which are affected by the gravitational force will land on the surface of the earth. Remember, gas molecules are unaffected by the gravity. The volume of the gas molecules is negligible when compared to that of the total volume of the container. As you know, we can compress the gas to the greater extent. The property of the gas is it can be compressible. When we compress the gas molecules inside the gas cylinder, remember that the actual volume of the gas which is spread inside the container is negligible when compared to that of the volume of the container. The next postulate is there is no attraction or repulsion between the gas molecules. Remember that the gas molecules will not have any force of attraction or repulsion between them. This is the reason why we are unable to see the gas. We can see the solids and we can see the liquids because the force of attraction between the molecules of liquids and solids is more. So they are coming together and held together with each other. When it comes to the gases, they have less force of attraction or no force of attraction and repulsion between them as per the kinetic molecular theory of gases. The next postulate is the pressure exerted by the gas is due to the collision of molecules on the walls of the vessels. The pressure exerted by the gas molecules is mainly because of the collision of the molecules on the walls of the vessel or container in which the gas is present. When the gas molecules collides to the walls of the container or the vessel in which they are preserved, that collision produces some pressure on the walls of the vessel that is considered as the pressure of the gas. Collision between the gas molecules is perfectly elastic, that is no loss of the kinetic energy during the collision. As you know, when the particles are moving randomly in a zigzag manner, there will be the collision between the particles of the gas molecules, and remember that the collision of the gas molecules is perfectly elastic. That means there is no loss of kinetic energy because of the collision of the gas particles. The last postulate under the kinetic molecular theory of gases is average kinetic energy of the gas molecules is directly proportional to the absolute temperature of the gas. Remember, kinetic energy is directly proportional to the temperature of the gas. As the temperature increases, the kinetic energy of the gas molecule increases and the motion of the gas molecules also increases. When the temperature is less, the particles of the gases move with less kinetic energy, and when the temperature is increased, the particles of the gas molecules will increase their speed or else will move with high kinetic energy. This is kinetic molecular theory of gases, and in the next coming video we are going to see about the kinetic gas equation.